Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome to Grandpa's Workshop. Firstly, as always, big thank you to all my subscribers. This week I'm using the Algo Laser DIY kit again, and I'm going to engrave some pigs on a chopping board for my daughter. I've positioned the chopping board on the Algo Laser DIY kit, so now it's time to start engraving the design. Laser engraver's finished. I think it looks quite nice, but now it's time for some finish. And for that, I've got some Clark's cutting board oil. This is a food grade mineral oil, and it's got orange and lemon, so it smells nice. I've also got the Clark's cutting board wax, and this is orange and lemon as well, and they cost me £22.95 from Amazon. So I'm going to give it a coat of the mineral oil, let that soak in, let it dry, and then I'll come back and put some wax on it. Well, I wish we had smelly vision, because this smells absolutely lovely. I'll come back when this is dried and I'll apply some wax. Right, I'll let that dry and soak in, and I'll come back when it's time to buff it off. That's this project finished. As always, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.